Alright, stop for the morning. First day of the new semester. Let's find our new class. What? Morning.
So he can know who just came into his class?
The recorder of this class. The cameraman. Yeah.
You just gotta find his seat. Yeah, I gotta pay attention.
How you feeling this morning, CV?
Huh?
How you feeling this morning?
It's a good morning, man. I got up a good time, I slept good time, you know, the teacher seems on good time, so let's find out, you know?
Huh? Garvell McCoy. How about you, Dooley? How you feeling this morning?
Playing class.
Gangster. Good game.
Welcome!
Oh, I got here before you.
What is your name, sir?
You leave too late, though.
So they need to find a chair, so you'll need to go downstairs.
I'm gonna just do this for now.
Cool! Morning! Cool! Alright. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning, automotive. Well, because we got 25,000 people in here, and we're talking a lot, right? The heat load on the system is a little bit increased. It's probably overloading the cooling capacity, right? So we gotta be a little careful with that, right? So good morning, I'm Mr. Barron. And so today we're gonna do day one of our stuff. All right, so what's gonna happen here? I'm gonna throw a Kahoot up on the thing. We do one every morning. All right, it's gonna kick you all off with a good grade for the day. It's your attendance quiz. All you gotta do is get in. If it's still up on the board, you're gonna type in the number, log in like that, okay? Anybody that comes in first segment today is gonna get 7:30. All right, after that, then we'll go to my normal roll, which I'll talk about here when we do next. So today, we're not going down the shop today, all right? What have you heard? First of all, what did they tell y'all about me? Giant Coke, okay. I'll take Dr. Pepper if it's there. You damn right. We go to the shop every single day, folks. Okay, so except I think I only miss maybe 2-3 days the whole class, if it works out like I want. Okay, so we go down to the shop a whole lot, right? So, but today we'll be up here. So that's named the island. Oh, all right.
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight. That's a terrible name.
Freedom wrenches.
Freedom Wrenches.
Freedom Wrenches.
Yeah.
Which is why it's Dewey glad we ain't here.
Honestly, I'm down to put fucking with you.
That's a great name.
You don't want to walk in.
I like Freedom Wrenches. I like that.
Someone got to come up with something before that's our name.
Small fry.
Small fry.
Small fry.
All right.
Small name for an island. Small fry.
All right.
Motherfucker.
Cool. I like it. There it is. We're gonna grow it over the class. Oh, that is perfect. We're gonna grow it. All right. All right. So you go to Kahoot.it. Man, wow. Yeah, that was Eric. And 725-6533. All right. This is on Tool. So what I found with some of my students. What's up, Mrs. Stu?
Yo, get out of here. Yo, get out of here.
Yes, teacher.
What's up with these kids? What's up? Give me the lowdown.
I'm not supporting this class.
If they come in late, make them do 50 push-ups. All right.
Yeah. You don't even do your push-ups.
This guy in the back.
Go get your food. Go get your lunch. Go get your lunch.
That's not how.
The lifts, they gotta get the insurance, they gotta just good. The 3-drop pull. So then fine. That's pretty that's easy enough. So then what is it used for?
I used it in manual transmission class. The flex disc on the back of my transmission. I bolted it with the 3-drop puller. Boom, boom, boom. And
I
just
would
pulled it
You're
out.
using it on a transmission board. Okay, that's cool. That's a good application for it. There is another one for it. Anybody have the other use for this? Pretty big bearing. That would be a pretty big bearing. One of the main uses for it is to remove your crankshaft pulley.
Oh, yeah.
That's a big pulley. Right? That guy. That guy, alright? So otherwise known as harmonic balancer, because it's filled with rubber and it dampens vibrations the motor creates when it's running around. Someone's talking! I'm gonna send it. I don't know, guys. It's intimidating. I'm talking. I think we got 30 seconds. Look pretty stable. What do you think? No. Alright, call it. We're gonna call it. Alright, wait.
So month and age?
Year.
Month and year.
Yeah, year count. Year matters too, right?
Yeah, month and year.
So,
How many that matters the most?
Yeah, month and
year,
year.
day, month, day, year, right?
Okay, yeah.
Let's find out. So who's the oldest? Who's the oldest?
October 97.
97. God damn.
May 25th, 1998.
How's your auntie?
October 99.
October 2000. Exactly. Okay.
01.
Like, yeah,
01.
2000 kids.
Okay, going good. 2003, September 14th.
Look who you
Where were you? You feel me? What month?
He said June.
June, September. Okay, 05.
Young.
June 2004.
Oh.
Ah, we messed up.
How's it mean?
Idiot.
Wait, that's the one that wanted to organize.
Yeah, I gotta
Organizer.
What happened? 4. Okay, so we got a 5 in.
Right? Crazy, like my little cousins and shit. Right, my little cousins and shit. Fucking.
You gotta sit down, bro.
What happened?
I work. Nigga, you tired? Shit. I can tell. Yeah, like, we got jobs and bills and shit. 05 right here. 05. 05. He's not over here. What the fuck? Get him over here.
What are you doing in 05 all the way down there?
I think it was too big. I think it was
The fact that we in 05.
Yeah, it was too big.
When you bought it. I know I'm not too right.
October 29th, 07.
2000. Crazy. Crazy, bro. These niggas was born like
Oh man, it was
when I was in fucking.
Fucking causes.
Oh man, it was
Right? What the fuck? What the fuck, bro?
Alright, not
Feel
bad,
me?
not bad.
It's life. That shit is crazy.
Oh, you?
Go, my boy.
12.
Oh, that was fun.
Good morning, Junior. I realized that I'm not the youngest in this classroom. Somebody stole my chair.
What? How?
Felipe, your birthday October?
Yo, how'd y'all rob it?
September?
That was fun.
How'd y'all rob this
20-something?
27. No, 2007. Expressions and everything has to be making it loud.
Don't destroy the class. Yo, how you feeling, Mo? You look sad.
Nigga back there freestyling, gang. What bro? Yeah, y'all were pretty loud. Y'all gotta be quiet. Meech. See, I wasn't told it to you, but you know, if the shoe fit, wear that motherfucker. Oh, that's a nigga you suck. I hate you.
Also, Vegas, you suck, bro.
It's you. It's you.
But yeah, first day vibes. We're gonna be going to the garage every day, so it's gonna be plenty of
10:20 to 1:30.
plenty of shit going on. Feel me? Let me show y'all. This is the vibe.
Bro, I hope he's taking this shit.
You hope he's taking
I
one.
want to try to get I want to get at least 200 before he comes back.
Not if you keep dying.
Wake the fuck up.
Don't hear laptop.
Who's asleep?
It's Isaac. Look at him. Look at Isaac.
Just look at him. Oh my god.
You guys are some violent people, bro.
Right? Right?
Oh, plastic is better. Let that shit break.
Oh man.
Yes.
Yo, you over here doing.
You looked at me like, are you toxic? I just fucking joined. I don't know, am I?
Who said that to you? He said, "Are you toxic?"
Yeah, like, okay, I was asking you. It's fucking Roblox.
Pussy.
Wow. You're gonna be toxic on purpose?
Imagine he's a 42-year-old man.
There is a difference between intensity and quantity. Let me get that on the board, right? You guys are looking at slide 3,
Green.
right? So we'll get that one on the board. So there's a difference between heat, intensity, and quantity. I probably misspelled.
Titty.
Okay, that's all right. Intensity and quantity, two different things. Temperature is a measure of intensity, and we have two scales. You guys know them. F is for Fahrenheit. C is for stop.
You and me.
What happened? Celsius. Okay, maybe you guys really don't know. I don't know. I'm scared.
You know,
All right, you guys know. All right. So what happened? So fine. Celsius, the scale typically you take. The scale is 0. Let's say 0 to 100. What happens at 0 degrees? 0 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. What happens at 0 degrees Celsius? What freezes? Water. And 100 degrees Celsius, something's going to happen to water. What happens at 100 degrees Celsius? It boils. It changes state. Excellent. We're going to talk about that too. Okay.